Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Just Like Home microwave. I don't know what company it is, but I think Just Like Home is the company. But I just don't know what the company is. I have all this stuff here. It all came with the microwave. You can open and close the door. Press these buttons. I can't press them now because this is chicken and this is a croissant, hot dog, hamburger. You open and close the door, and I can't press the buttons now because there's nothing in there. But now I can press the buttons. This is I use this for vegetables. I use this for the hamburger stuff. I use this for steak, things like that. Use this for drinks and use this for stuff like this. And I use this for bread and buns like that. So let's start cooking. Oops, sorry, I forgot that. Oops, that was my vacuums. Now I'm going to press the there. See, now that it's cooking, you can just look at it spin around. There's a light in it on this side. If you see that yellow thing right there, that's a light. These are the seconds screen. It beeps at the end. That's normal. So don't worry, it's normal. That's chicken. Spins round and around with the light. The light turns off when it starts beeping, if you didn't know that. Okay. So, doesn't that look like a funny food? Guys, it's like a croissant chicken. Hot dog. You can take this thing out and put it back in again. These are just little separate things. It's kind of hard to put it back in once you took it out. I think I should use the pizza button and this button. Spins round and round. I don't know if you can hear this in the video, but it does make noise. Very quiet. I'm going to put in a burger. Hamburger. So now I need to hit this button, this button, this button, and I think that's it. I've noticed that it's spinning kind of fast. There you go. Want a hamburger, anyone? So, thanks for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!